Hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again.
I can talk again, oh my god. That was literally the quietest intro I've ever done in my entire life. Hi, how's it going? I was so happy with this makeup. It took me so much willpower just to take this little part off. But let's just keep taking the rest of it off. I really like how these buttons look, like I can see through these little holes. I literally didn't talk for an hour and I already forgot how to speak. But the small pieces are done, let's do the big ones. The carrot nose. Ah! Sis really popped off there, huh? Alright, now the eyes. Can I, take the button out? I can! Why is this scarier than the original look? Oh my god. Okay, now I gotta take this off without ripping my skin. Ah! This. Whoa, 1 second. Anyways, as I was saying, guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This was a lot of fun to do, but it's gotta go. If I just pull the zipper, will it rip off? Ah, nice. Now it's time for the rest of this to go. More nightmare fuel just for you. I think I got most of the paint off. There's a little bit in my hair, but I'm gonna shower anyways. But you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to steal Christmas. Take this off again. I cannot breathe, and I'm really excited to, breathe again. These Grinch fingers are messing me up. Let's do the beard. Oh, okay. The mouthpiece got connected to the beard, so we're just gonna do that. I can breathe again! I don't know why I used modeling clay, but my skin is not irritated, so I guess it's fine. Please don't do it. Please don't do it. I kind of like this look. I feel like a Ninja Turtle now. But the eyebrows gotta go too. Nice. Alright, I showered. I'm slightly stained green, but I am clean. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. This is the last look I'm doing for the emoji series. Yeah. This eyelash is already kind of falling off, so I'm just gonna take that off. And I can't just have one eyelash on, so I'll just take the other one off too. Now the hearts. Bloody. Okay, wait. Ah, nice. Let's do this one here. And now this big boy. I made this one too big, so it started folding. But it's gotta go. Contacts are out. I'm pretty much clean. My neck is slightly stained, but it's fine. And y'all have an amazing day today. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know that it is time. It's time to take this off again. I attempted to put my hair out of my face, but I can't see, so I hope I don't look crazy. Of course I look crazy. Never mind. Let's just take this off. Oh yes. Is my eyebrow still there? I can't see. I hope it's still there. Time for this eye. Ding, ding, ding. Now I just gotta take the rest of this off. Now that I think about it, I probably should have taken my contacts out first. And once again, the removal process is scarier than the original look. Oh god. Okay, I forgot to film that last part, but it's like 3 days later now and my face is clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course you know what time it is. It's time to take this off again. I really don't want to take it off. I like being a little emoji demon. And I also know that this is gonna stain my skin real bad. But oh well, let's do it. Starting with the horns. That was easy. Now this one. It got in my hair a little bit, but not too much. And now the smile. Okay, wait, I can't find an edge. Okay, there we go. Don't I look just lovely right now? We don't need the lashes. If you guys have monsters in your closet, just let me know. I'll come scare them away for you. Okay, let's see how badly my skin is stained. Oh no, okay, wait. Help. I've been washing my face for 20 minutes and this is the best I can do. Well, hello, what's up, you little freaks? Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays! And, well, you know what time it is. Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I'm gonna start by removing my contacts so I can actually see what I'm doing. Alright, I know this is like the Christmas present gone bad, but the more I look at it, the more I see a shoe because of the laces, so for some reason I feel like a shoe gone bad right now, so let's take it off. Okay, there's only one way to go. I'll be quiet so you guys can enjoy the ASMR. Ow, ow. Okay, well my eyebrow is still on, that's good. Let's keep going. Didn't feel anything, didn't hurt at all. I don't know what you're talking about. My eyes were watering so bad the eyelash just fell off. Alright, now it's time to take the rest of this off. Once again, this is scarier than the original look. Because I just look crazy. But not anymore, because I took it all off, and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hello, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? You already know what time it is, and it is time to take this off again. It is currently 2:06 a.m. Yes, I met the New Year's like this, and it was wonderful. And I have come to the conclusion that if I don't take this off now, then I never will. So I gotta do it now. I'm gonna start with the lashes, because it's the easiest thing I can do. Ooh. Now let's do the gems. Oh, that's a lot of glitter. Ow. It's kind of attached to the rest of the glitter. That's pretty nice. Okay, that got in my hair just a little bit. We're not gonna worry about it. We're just gonna... Ow. Hair is overrated anyways. Forgot these. There's not enough time. Happy New Year. Oh, well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. It is time to take this off again. I'm pretty happy with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off, but I'm tired and it needs to be done, so let's do it. I had to rip this thing off like 5 times for the video already, but I'll do it again, just for you. Ah, because I had to rip it off like a lot of times, there's still like latex on my face. And blood in my teeth. But I'm gonna rip off the smile first. Ow. Ah. The reason I'm using tweezers is to not get my hands dirty. Ah. Now I'm gonna see if I can rip these parts off. Ooh. Never mind, it's not worth it. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And once again, I am not terrifying. Beautiful. Thank you. Okay, I took most of it off. Don't worry, I'm gonna get the ear in the shower. I won't forget it this time. But you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you know it. It is time to take this off again. I am not mad at how this turned out, but it's gotta go. I'm gonna take this off of my ear. Only smart decisions here. I already know the neck is gonna hurt, so I'm gonna do that first. Alright, 3, 2, 1. I'm screaming on the inside. No pain, no feel. That's my neck. Beautiful. I don't need a crown for people to know I'm a queen, but that hurts. Ow. Maybe I don't need to take the crown off. You know what? No, we're doing it. We're doing it. Ah! Okay, just kidding. That wasn't too bad. That is because all of the latex is still on my forehead. There you go. Now that's in my hair, but we don't need hair anyways. Okay, the hardest part's done. Now this. As scary as I may look right now, I like this shade of green. It's kind of cute. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks?
Guess what time it is? It's time to take this off again.
You tried.
Okay, I know what you say. I just can't speak.
So how do you think we're gonna take this off?
With a lot of makeup wipes?
No.
How?
Makeup wipes are bad for the environment. We use these. Which one do you want? Pink or...
Pink.
Okay.
It's moist.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand right now. Hand. No. Right on the hand, like that. Yes.
Okay, great.
What
it doesn't feel great.
No.
I don't like it.
Why not?
I don't know.
Do we look scary? No. Beauty right here. Now we take these and then you just like that. Yeah.
Magic.
Just keep going. Just keep, don't stop. Yeah.
I don't like this.
Right, we're just almost done taking. My sleep paralysis demon, is that you? We're all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Honestly, I'm really tired and I only want to cry like a little bit. Like, it's nice, right? It's nice. Sadly though, all I can keep is pictures, and I can't have this on my face. I love this illusion though, because it only works from the side, and when you look straight up, it don't add up. Okay, but also I thought it would be a good time to test these little makeup remover cloths that Santa brought me. I just put water on this one, so let's see if it works. Wait. I swear there's no makeup remover on it. Let's see if it works on waterproof eyeliner. I can't. This is witchcraft. I don't believe it. So I was gonna be like, yay, I took my makeup off, but no, because I forgot the ear. I cannot tell you how many times I've gone to work with paint in my ear because I always forget about the ear. But now I am all clean and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. Ah, how did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. You guys, it's time to take this off again. This piece did not want to stay on at all, so we're taking it off first because it's basically off already. There are so many icicles on me. Ow, pain. This thing is like gelatin. So nice and gross. We love it. If you're wondering how long this took me, 10 hours. Huh. Okay, 1, 2, 3. And while I'm very sad to be taking this look off, I am very excited to breathe again. Bye. There is paint in my mouth and paint in my nose. And I feel like there's paint in my hair. I don't know what that was. Okay, quick and painless. Quick and... Ow. Okay, we're almost there. You might think I'm being dramatic, but that hurts. And in the trash you go. Be honest, did we miss the nightmare fuel? All clean. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here, I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. Ah! That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Ah! Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo! Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? It is time to take this off again. Oh yes. This is not my best look, but it's not the worst, so we're chilling. Good stuff. Nice. Ah. It always feels good to take makeup off. Especially makeup like this. I'll be right back. Oh wow, look, nothing changed. I'm just kidding. Look at me. Even though that was a fairly simple look, if you guys still want to see a tutorial or want to know what products I used, go ahead and check the link in my profile. It's a tutorial, oh yes. But other than that, you guys have an amazing day. Yeah.